For my conversation with Joe Zalot, Director of Education at the National Catholic Bioethics Center. Here are 5 key takeaways regarding infertility and assisted reproductive technologies. 1. Infertility is a real cross, and the Catholic Church takes that suffering seriously. The Church does not dismiss the pain of infertility or simply tell couples to pray harder. Infertility can be a profound emotional, spiritual, and relational burden. The Church recognizes that suffering while also offering ethical pathways for couples who desire children and want to remain faithful to Catholic teaching. 2. The Church is for ethical fertility treatments that do not replace the marital act. The Church supports treatments that help restore or assist normal fertility, while opposing technologies that replace the marital act or introduce third parties into procreation. The key distinction is whether a treatment assists conception or substitutes for it. 3. Restorative reproductive medicine treats the cause. IVF bypasses it. Approaches such as fertility awareness, naprotechnology, restorative reproductive medicine, surgery for endometriosis, hormonal treatments, and other interventions seek to identify and correct the underlying causes of infertility. IVF, by contrast, typically bypasses those underlying health issues rather than resolving them. 4. Children are gifts, not products or entitlements. One of the central themes of Catholic bioethics is that no one has a right to a child. Every child possesses inherent dignity and should be received as a gift rather than produced through a process of selection, manufacture, or acquisition. This perspective shifts the focus from adult desires to the dignity and the rights of the child. 5. The IVF debate is ultimately about human dignity. The Church's concerns about IVF extend beyond embryo destruction. They include the separation of procreation from the marital act, the creation and freezing of embryos, eugenic embryo grading and selection, third-party reproduction, surrogacy, and the growing tendency to treat human life as something that can be manufactured, controlled, or discarded. At its core, the debate is about what it means to respect human dignity from the very beginning of life. Because truth matters and human dignity isn't optional. This is Bioethics Babe.